We are creatures of limits, bound by the laws of physics, the constraints of biology. Yet within us lies an exception, a defiance of these limitations, an ability so extraordinary it sets us apart from nearly every other species on this planet. We are built to run, not for short bursts of speed, but for long, sustained distances, a feat of endurance few can match. This remarkable ability to pursue prey for miles upon miles without tiring is etched into our very being. It shaped our past, influencing our evolution and ensuring our survival. Imagine a time before supermarkets and agriculture, before the invention of the wheel or the written word. A time when survival depended on outwitting and outrunning our prey. This was the era of the persistence hunt, a grueling test of endurance, where early humans would pursue their prey under the relentless sun. Hour after hour, they would chase their quarry, driving them to exhaustion. Their secret? A combination of traits that made them perfectly adapted for this unique form of hunting. This wasn't just about catching a meal, this was about survival. The persistence hunt and our capacity for endurance running played a pivotal role in shaping the humans we are today. Picture the African Savannah 2 million years ago, a vast expanse of grasslands and scattered trees, beneath a sky that blazes with relentless sun. This is our origin story, the setting where our ancestors took their first steps toward becoming human. They were not the strongest creatures on the savanna. They lacked the fearsome claws of lions or the powerful jaws of hyenas, but they possessed a secret weapon, an unyielding ability to run and run, long after other animals faltered. This ability was not a mere quirk of evolution. It was a matter of life and death. In this unforgiving landscape, survival hinged on securing food, and for early humans, that meant hunting. But their prey, large antelope, zebra, even the mighty wildebeest, were far faster over short distances. To succeed, our ancestors had to exploit a different tactic, a strategy that played to their unique strengths, the persistence hunt. A dawn breaks over the savanna, painting the sky with hues of orange and gold. This is the time when the hunters gather, their lean, muscular bodies already radiating heat in anticipation of the chase. They communicate through a combination of gestures and guttural sounds, strategizing their approach. Their eyes, sharp and observant, scan the horizon for any sign of movement, any telltale dust cloud betraying the presence of their quarry. The air, still cool from the receding night, carries the scent of life and decay. The earthy aroma of wet grass, the pungent tang of animal musk. It's a symphony of smells that speaks to their primal instincts, guiding them toward their next meal. Finally, they spot their target, a group of antelope, their sleek coats glistening in the morning light. The hunt is on. Unlike predators who rely on stealth or brute force, the persistence hunters adopt a different approach. Their strategy is not to ambush their prey, but to outlast them in a grueling test of endurance. They don't sprint at full speed, but maintain a steady, loping run, their bodies moving with a natural efficiency honed over millennia. The sun climbs higher, baking the earth and pushing temperatures upward, but still, they run. They track their prey through the tall grass, their bare feet hardening against the rough terrain. Every so often, they pause, their chests heaving as they scan the horizon, looking for any sign of their exhausted prey. This is not a sprint. This is a marathon, a battle of wills waged under the scorching African sun. And as the hours wear on, the hunter's unique physiology begins to give them a decisive advantage. The African savannah, a crucible of evolution, forged within early humans a physique uniquely adapted for endurance running. While other predators relied on bursts of speed, humans evolved a different strategy, relentless pursuit. Our ancestors, unlike their primate cousins, developed longer legs relative to their torso size. This adaptation, coupled with a narrower pelvis, allowed for a longer stride length, covering more ground with each step. But the true secret to their endurance lay in a suite of physiological adaptations, particularly their unparalleled ability to regulate body temperature. As the sun beat down on the savanna, our ancestors possessed a distinct advantage over their prey. These adaptations, honed over millennia, transformed early humans into the endurance athletes of the animal kingdom, capable of chasing prey to the point of exhaustion. Imagine running for hours under the relentless African sun. Your body temperature rises, your muscles scream for oxygen. For most animals, this scenario would be a death sentence. But early humans possessed a secret weapon: sweat. Unlike other primates, humans evolved an abundance of eccrine sweat glands covering almost their entire body. This allowed them to dissipate heat far more efficiently, preventing overheating during prolonged exertion. As they ran, their sweat would evaporate, carrying away excess heat and keeping their core temperature stable. This remarkable adaptation allowed them to push their bodies further and longer than any other animal on the savanna. While their prey, panting heavily and seeking shade, succumbed to heat exhaustion, the human hunters could continue their pursuit, their bodies a testament to the power of natural selection. Section 3. The role of bipedalism. Our upright posture played a crucial role in our endurance running prowess. Walking on two legs freed our arms for tasks like carrying weapons. Bipedalism allowed for the evolution of the nuchal ligament, stabilizing the head. This ligament minimized energy expenditure while running. It enhanced their ability to maintain a steady pace over long distances. Section 4. The pursuit of persistence. The persistence hunt was not a sprint, but a marathon, a testament to human endurance and determination. It required not only physical strength, but also mental fortitude, strategic thinking, and an understanding of animal behavior. They would have learned to read the subtle signs of fatigue in their prey, recognizing the labored breathing, the desperate search for shade, the slowing pace. This innate understanding of animal behavior, coupled with their own relentless pursuit, tipped the scales in their favor. As the sun began its descent, casting long shadows across the savanna, the hunted would often falter. Exhausted, overheated, and unable to outrun their human pursuers, they would eventually succumb to the relentless chase. The persistence hunt, a testament to the unique adaptations of our species, played a pivotal role in shaping our evolution, influencing not only our physical development, but also our social behavior and cognitive abilities. Section 1. The spoils of endurance. The setting sun cast long shadows across the savanna, painting the landscape in hues of orange and purple. The air, still heavy with the day's heat, carried the scent of dust, sweat, and victory. For the persistence hunters, the arduous chase had reached its end. The spoils of their endurance lay before them, a mountain of meat, a bounty that would sustain their tribe for days. Every successful hunt was a testament to their unique abilities, a celebration of their evolutionary heritage. But the benefits of endurance running extended far beyond the immediate reward of a meal. It shaped their bodies, their minds, and their very place in the intricate web of life on the African savannah. The persistence hunt, a crucible of survival, forged within them the resilience, ingenuity, and social cohesion that would lay the foundation for the rise of our species. The demands of the persistence hunt, the need to track prey over long distances, to anticipate their movements, and to strategize with fellow hunters, exerted a powerful selective pressure on the cognitive abilities of early humans. Their brains, already larger than their primate ancestors, underwent further development, particularly in areas associated with spatial awareness, planning, and abstract thought. The ability to communicate effectively, to share information about the location of prey, the terrain, and the progress of the hunt became crucial for their success. Language, though still rudimentary, began to blossom, weaving its way into the fabric of their social interactions. The persistence hunt, far from being a purely physical endeavor, became a catalyst for cognitive development, pushing the boundaries of human intelligence and setting the stage for the emergence of complex thought and language. The control of fire, a pivotal moment in human history, is intricately linked to our endurance running abilities. As early humans ventured further from their shelters in pursuit of prey, they encountered the power of fire, both destructive and life-giving. The ability to control fire provided warmth during the cool nights, protection from predators, and a means to cook meat, making it more digestible and unlocking additional calories. This newfound mastery of fire, combined with their endurance hunting prowess, allowed them to thrive in a wider range of environments, expanding their territory and pushing the boundaries of their world. The warmth of the fire, a beacon in the darkness, brought them together, fostering a sense of community and shared purpose. Around the flickering flames, stories were shared, bonds were strengthened, and the seeds of culture were sown. The legacy of the endurance hunter extends far beyond the savanna where it first evolved. It is etched in our genes, woven into the very fabric of our being. While our ancestors hunted for survival, we now run for a multitude of reasons. For health, for competition, for the sheer joy of it. The marathon, that ultimate test of human endurance, is a modern-day echo of the persistence hunt. It is a testament to our innate ability to push our bodies to their limits, to embrace the challenge of distance and time. But the endurance hunter within us is more than just physical prowess. It is a spirit of resilience, a determination to overcome obstacles, a refusal to give up in the face of adversity. It is a reminder that we are descendants of survivors, shaped by the relentless forces of natural selection, and capable of achieving extraordinary things when we set our minds and bodies to the task. The African savannah, the crucible of our evolution, may seem a world away from our modern lives, yet the echo of those ancient hunts reverberates within us, a primal rhythm that beats in sync with our heartbeats. We are all descendants of endurance hunters, carrying within us the genetic legacy of those who ran to survive. This legacy manifests not just in our physical capacity for running, but also in our spirit, our drive, our relentless pursuit of goals. Every time we lace up our running shoes, we tap into this ancient inheritance. Each stride we take, whether on a treadmill or a forest trail, reconnects us to our ancestors who traversed the savanna in pursuit of sustenance and survival. But the marathon we run today extends beyond the physical realm. It is a metaphor for the challenges we face, the obstacles we overcome, and the goals we strive to achieve in our modern lives. The persistence hunt, a testament to human ingenuity and resilience, continues to inspire us. We face our own metaphorical hunts each day. The challenges may have changed, but the spirit remains the same. The drive to persevere and push beyond our limitations are gifts from our ancestors. Their legacy is woven into our daily lives, propelling us forward. So, when you lace up your shoes, remember you carry a legacy of endurance. Close your eyes. Imagine the sound of bare feet pounding the earth, the rhythmic rasp of breath, the rustle of dry grass as a lone figure races across the savanna. This is the echo of our past, a symphony of survival played out over millennia. We may have traded spears for smartphones, animal hides for high-tech fabrics, but the essence of the endurance hunter persists within us. It's there in the pounding of our hearts as we push our limits, in the quiet determination that sees us through challenges, in the very fiber of our being. Our ancestors ran for their survival, chasing sustenance across an unforgiving landscape. Today we run for countless reasons, for health, for competition, for the sheer exhilaration of it. But each stride, each bead of sweat, connects us to those who came before, a lineage etched in the very act of running. The African savannah, The birthplace of our endurance legacy may seem a world away. Yet we carry a piece of it within us, a reminder of our origins, our resilience, and our remarkable capacity to not only survive, but to thrive. The ability to run, to chase prey for miles under the scorching sun, shaped us into the humans we are today. It influenced our anatomy, honed our physiology, and ignited a spark of intelligence. The persistence hunt was a crucible of evolution. It demanded cooperation, fostered communication, and rewarded strategic thinking. From the savanna to marathons, our endurance running is a testament to our evolutionary heritage. When you lace up your running shoes, you tap into something ancient and profound.